All party Hurriyat conference leaders have paid heartfelt tributes to the prominent Kashmiri pro-freedom leader Sheikh Abdul Aziz on the eve of his 16th martyrdom anniversary, lauding his steadfast dedication to the Kashmir cause. Sheikh Abdul Aziz was martyred by the Indian troops on August 11, 2008, while he was leading a massive march towards Azad Kashmir. The march was a protest against the economic blockade imposed on the Kashmir Valley by the Hindutva extremists in the Jammu. Incarcerated senior APHC leaders Shabir Ahmed Shah and Naeem Ahmed Khan, in their messages from the Tihar jail, extolled Sheikh Aziz's unwavering commitment to the Kashmiri struggle for freedom from the Indian occupation. They described him as a pioneering figure in the ongoing liberation movement who faced the hardships in the pursuit of the right to self-determination. Indian forces personnel have intensified cordon and search operations and house raids, coupled with the widespread frisking across Srinagar and other areas of the occupied Kashmir ahead of the India's Independence Day on August 15. These operations have led to the detention of the dozens of youth, with the hundreds more being summoned to the police stations and the army camps. Senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq, addressing a gathering in the Srinagar, expressed grave concern over the Modi regime's proposed amendments to the Waqf laws, describing them as the direct interference in the religious affairs. He asserted that these changes are designed to disempower the Muslims across India, with a particular focus on the occupied Kashmir.